After you take them, you have the green background. All you want to do is just make your background white. You could either do that on your phone before you send it off to Walgreens to get printed out. I also will drop the sizing that you need when I show you a screenshot of like pretty much all the requirements you need if you're taking your own passport pictures. What's up with it, my babies? So I'm gonna go ahead and cut to the chase. I know a lot of you might not have enough time to read this or just don't feel like reading it. So I'm gonna go ahead and tell you the main key points of the rules for taking your passport pictures. You need a straight face. It's supposed to look like a mugshot, okay? Do not smile. Later in this video, you're gonna see me say smile or smize. Do not smile, sis. Don't do it. Do not wear white. We don't want to be a floating head. Unless you want that. I mean, it's not the cutest, but hey, if that's what you want to go for, then go for it. But other than that, try to wear any other solid color shirt or any other type of shirt. And it can have a print on it. You just need overall a clear picture of your face. We cannot do the turn. You have to look dead at the camera, like face forward. Let's leave that right there. And we're gonna look, and you either smize or you smile. So. And also I'm going to say the sizing at the end, but I will say it at the beginning as well. You need a 2x2 photo, which is pretty much like a wallet size. Wallets are 2x3, and they can trim the rest off for you at your passport appointment. So I use two apps for this edit. I use the app Eraser, and I also use Facetune. Ignore the smile. I'm only using it for editing purposes only because it's more pleasing to look at. So I'm pretty much, all you see is me just tapping where that green is and canceling out as much green as possible. Get as close as you can to the green without taking your skin away, and also without compromising how the picture looks, because you don't want a jagged picture. You don't want it to look like it was edited. Keep in mind, this is a government photo, so you don't want to overly edit and not look like yourself, because when they hold it up next to you, sis, you have to look like yourself. What I'm doing right now, I'm just going to go ahead and change the background to white just to see if there's any other green on the picture that I have that I have missed. So I'm going to go ahead and double check, and once everything looks good, go ahead and save. And right before you save the final picture, you're going to actually switch it from transparent to white just to ensure the full picture is white. And once you have your picture saved, you're going to go ahead and open up your Facetune. And all I'm using for Facetune is just to crop my picture. So honestly, all you really need is the Eraser app to really just do this full edit. After everything is saved, you're actually going to head over to the Walgreens website, and you're going to send your picture over to Walgreens. And you can send it from your phone or you can send it from your computer, but you're going to send it over to Walgreens in the wallet size. And mine was ready in like less than 30 minutes. So I was able to pick those up and take everything to your appointment. And pretty much that's just how you're going to take your pictures for the passport. My favorite place to print out my pictures anytime I do need pictures printed out is to go to Walgreens. It's about 10 cents a picture, and you can either do glossy or matte when you take it. And that's what you're gonna need whenever you go to your passport appointment. I say at least print maybe 3 out just in case any of them are outside of the regulations. You at least have a backup one to give them on hand. And after you do that, you pay your application and your passport will be in the mail on its way to you. I'll be posting on Instagram my final picture that I'm posting. I won't let you guys know yet. So if you haven't followed me on Instagram, go ahead and follow me now. Drop it down below at Creativelytaylored. I always post new looks on there. That's the best way to contact me, message me, lurk on me. That would be the place to go. But until next time, my loves.